I'm Geeta Ramesh. I conduct art classes. I'm into this field for the past 15 years. I conduct classes for schools, colleges, and also conduct workshops for the corporates. So today I'm going to teach you all about a leaf print. How do we make a art with a natural leaves? So we'll be using colors, acrylic colors, or you can even use poster colors. I'll be using some gel pens, that is colored gel pens. Depends on what color you choose. You can use red, pink, green, and also we need black. So let us start now. So we need a drawing book. We need a drawing book that is A4 size sheet, and just take some paper. I've taken yellow because you all have to view what I'm doing. You can use a newspaper so that we'll be applying the color on this. We'll be applying the color on this. So we'll be you can use a old newspaper to apply the colors on the leaf. So let us start. So let me show the leaves what I'm using. You can just see. See, this is a mango leaf. This is also a kind of leaf. Uh, Different plants leaf I've collected from. You can collect it from your own garden. You can collect it from the outside trees, wherever you find it easily. See, the most important is the leaves which you're collecting. You should check the veins of the leaves has to be very thick. So such leaves, you have to go with such leaves. Then you will get the print. Okay, see, I've collected a round shaped leaves so that we can create some flowers. So let us start. Now I'm taking this type of leaf now. This type of leaf. So let us apply some multicolors. So you can use brush number, flat brush number 2 or 4. So I'm applying red in the initial stage. Apply red. Apply it to the edges properly. I'll be using orange little. Just apply, and yellow. Use a different brush for light colors so that your paints doesn't get mixed. I'm using yellow. Just apply yellow so that the orange and yellow gets a little mixed, not much. See that it's applied thoroughly on the leaf without any spacing. All the edges has to be applied. Now let's make a print. Observe carefully. This is our main sheet. This is an A4 size drawing sheet. You can do it on your drawing book also. Now first I'm placing the leaf in this position, number 1, to this corner. Approximately you can make a center point of the book. Just mark it here. Just a small center point here. This is the center point of the book. So I'm placing the leaf to one corner first and giving a press. You can use a tissue and press it. Remove the leaf. We got one print. We'll be doing one more on the opposite direction. Next, other one in the other opposite direction. So see that if your paint is dry, you can apply once again. So let's apply once again on the same leaf to make the print more brighter. We are yet to do with one more. I've applied red now. Next goes with orange. And finally with yellow. Merging little on the red with yellow. Now let's keep our main sheet. And our print. Now let's place it this side. Let's cut the corner and give a nice pressure. So now these three prints are brighter. This is slightly light. So we will place the leaf once again and give a nice pressure. Use tissues or napkins to give a pressure. So this is how we do the leaf print. These leaf prints can be used on your handkerchiefs. You can make a small white handkerchiefs, cloth handkerchiefs and give a print on them. You can use it on cushion covers. If you have any old cushion covers where it's faded, you can print this leaf print on those cushion covers. You can create greeting cards. You can create this print on the greeting cards and write a beautiful note and give it to your friends. You can do many things. You can even print it on the bottles. You can print it on any old clutches if you have where you're not using and it's looking old. You can use it on that also. So you can use this on many purpose and it looks very beautiful. So I'll be showing one more small art with same leaves where we'll be creating some flowers. So now let's use this rounded type of leaf. So we will have a look of a flower. So remove the stem, cut the stem properly, cut the stem. Now let's apply, see you can see the veins. Veins are so thick so that you will get a beautiful print. So we will be using different color now for the flower. One flower let's use with white and blue, using white. Apply white half of the leaf. You can apply the white and I'm using little yellow and blue. Just applying, dabbing it all over the leaf. Use three colors. And for the other one, let's use red and yellow, or you can go with orange and yellow. I'm giving at the corners of the leaves also. Yeah. Now let's make a print. I'm just giving a press here. 1, 2, I'm creating a bunch of flowers. 3, 4. Here again, let's use this color. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have bunch of flowers here. You can see the print with beautiful color mixing. Now you can use your green gel pen, or you can also do it with your brush, round brush number 2. You can pull the stems. So with the green gel pen, just pulling the stems, a thin line stems connecting to each other. And you can create some tiny leaves and just color them randomly with your gel pens. You can also color them with your brushes using green color. So this has to dry. Now I'm taking pink to just create a beautiful bow here. And giving some dots on the bow. Create some dots. So once this dries, let's use some black, or you can even use a black sketch pen and give some black pollens here. So it has to dry thoroughly. Don't use the sketch pen on wet, your sketch pen will get spoiled. Just giving some black pollens here to highlight the flower. So you can see how beautifully it looks. So this is the end of the session. Thank you. So this is number 1 print, and this is the first print.